This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.
So you can see that, I'm using the same data, and if I really want these numbers to be displayed under dollar, how to do that? Again, we have, there are multiple ways to do that. There is this column wherein you can see this money symbol coming up. So accounting number format, you can just click on that. You can use all these, shortcuts which are available. But if your desired currency is not being shown here, you can just click on more accounting formats. So if you click on this, go to currency, you can have an exhaustive list over here wherein you can just have desired currency as per your requirement. Okay, so as of now, I'm just taking as a dollar symbol. Okay, dollar is, let's take, so dollar again, we have Australian dollar, Canada dollar. So let's take US dollar and click on OK. Okay, otherwise, if you don't want to use that function, you can quickly go to this tab, use a dollar function. So you can see that the representation is also slightly different. Okay, so what you can do is you can select all the data, you can go to currency and you can add dollar symbol. It will all be added as dollar symbol. Okay, what if I just want this to be represented as pound? I can just go and select pound. Okay, otherwise I can go and select rupee, so on and so forth. Okay, let's see what do we have under currency again under this tab. So you can see that, there are again, apart from symbols, we do have these shortcuts, BTN, BWP, BYP. Okay, so you will see that CHF is also there. So this is nothing but a shortcut for the currency that, globally it is accepted as a shortcut. So CHF is used for Swiss franc. Okay, and then you will have USD, sorry. So that is nothing but your US dollars, so on and so forth. Okay, you can probably explore all these things. I think CYP is for Cyprus currency, and so I'm not quite sure for all these shortcuts, but few of them I am aware. If you are looking for any particular currency shortcut, you can use from this one. Okay. Okay, so once we are done with adding the currencies, what we can do is we can do certain calculations. Okay, so these calculations you might have done, or you might have calculated in terms of adding few numbers or subtracting few numbers. So this is nothing but how you want your data to be displayed. Right?
This video is part of the certification program, SABA, Spreadsheet Applications in Business Analytics. Please contact if you want to apply for the certificate program, or for more details.